Shotgun. Murray out of the pocket. 7 seconds. 6 seconds. Murray heaves it downfield. It is. Oh, it's caught. It is caught. DeAndre Hopkins. Miraculous. It's Murray magic.
25 yards downfield. Murray back to throw. Flushed out. Rolling left in trouble. Slips a tackle. Got to launch it. He does. Left side into the end zone. Jump ball. And it is. Is it caught? Is it caught? Oh my goodness, it's caught. DeAndre Hopkins caught it. He caught it for a touchdown with 1 second left. I can't believe it. You've got to be joking me. Hopkins reaches up with 3 defenders around him and pulls it in. And the Cardinals lead it 32-30 with a second left.
You can't cover Nuke. You're not going to be able to cover him. Throw the ball up. That's what Kyler Murray did. He extended the play with his legs and just chucked that thing up into the air. Into the desert sky, baby. And D-Hop brought it down. Touchdown.
Ready to go. Cardinals first down at the 43. The snap. Murray pressured. Bills rush 4. Murray's in trouble. Gets away from it. Rolls to his left. Fires it downfield. Puts it up for grabs. And it is caught for a touchdown. Unbelievable. Caught by DeAndre Hopkins. Surrounded by a couple of Bills defenders. He went up and brought it down. Unbelievable. Incredible. 1 second left on the clock.
Yeah, Bills lose. They got beat by DeAndre Hopkins making a phenomenal play, and that's the kind of play he can make. He's got the best hands in football. He's a great athlete. He's got tremendous ball skills. There were 3 guys around him, and the Bills couldn't stop it.
Tiene las últimas suspiros de este partido. Están persiguiendo a Kyler Murray. El reloj consume, saca el ave de María. Tiene un receptor en el terreno. ¡Lo atrapó! ¡Lo atrapó! ¡Me quito el sombrero! ¡Me quito el saco! ¡El milagro ocurrió! ¡El milagro Rolando! ¡Bríncale! ¡Bríncale! ¡Touchdown! ¡Adentro! ¡Oh! ¡El caballo! DeAndre Hopkins solo. Habían aislado 1-1, le pusieron atrás por su sector. Dijo, coach, dame la bola. Quiero la bola. ¡Qué bárbaro! Por eso te trajeron en la agencia libre este verano en ese intercambio espectacular. Y venía nada más. Contra 3, Rolando. Contra 3 efectivos de la NBA. Espectacular. ¿Qué